It's on.
We're out here, Cedar Springs, about 16 miles in. Didn't record the beginning. Ron, how we feeling?
A little tired, but
Had a bad night last night, but we're powering through it. Got some snacks at the
there we go.
marathon right here.
And fueled up some Gatorade, and, protein, some. What do you got there?
We're here.
Slim
Sponsor
Jims?
us.
Yeah.
Beef links. And we had to get some nuts.
So the plan is to try to do 100 miles today. It's gonna be really hard, but we'll get there. It's gonna be a long day. Started at 7:30 this morning, and probably gonna be a good 12-hour day, and then we'll get our century mile or century mark in. And I've never done it,
Never have I, so we'll see what happens.
so we'll update every few miles, and if we run into anything, we'll
Let you know.
check it out. But right now, get some fuel in us and get back on the trail. I gotta do 100 miles to get the shirt. How you feeling, Ryan?
Feeling great. 34 miles in. Middle of butt-fuck nowhere. Feeling good.
I think we're near Howard City somewhere. I don't know if we're all the way in Howard City, but we're somewhere near there. Seen some picnic tables, so had to pull off and take a break. Been, what, 12 miles since the gas station, so trail's really smooth. A little bit of a wind, but nothing too bad. So check in 10 more miles, or we only have about 15 miles left, and then we'll turn around and go back. So hopefully the wind calms down and it's a little bit smoother than it has been. See you in a little bit. much is done. Ryan had the BLT, had an olive burger, pretty good. What is this place called? The Buff?
The Buff.
The Buff Bar and Grill, and I think we're in Stanwood.
Yeah.
But not bad, but we're halfway through. We're at the 50-mile mark. So we're turning around, going back on the trail, and see how our butts feel, because
feeling it.
It's been a long day, but it's been pretty good though. So.
Yeah. Been keeping consistent.
Yeah.
So
we'll probably try to stop every 10 miles on the way back and give updates. Maybe even get something to eat at some point again to keep fueled, and I gotta stop and get some water at some point. But all right, we'll see you in 10 miles or so. All right, we got our 10-mile check-in. We're at 60 miles.
I'm feeling it now.
Yeah, it's gonna be a long 40 miles.
Yeah.
We'll get there. Well, we have to get there. It's not we have no choice now. We probably shouldn't have went all the way 50 one way, but it also made it so we had to come back, so.
We'll make it.
Oh yeah, so. It's getting warm though. And I'm running out of water. So. Next gas station, we're going to stop and get some water. All right, 10 more miles and then we'll check in again.
We've been living in sin so long, all the fields are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could
That doesn't look good.
Brand new bike, 70 miles in. Gotta send it back. Should be clicking. Shannon, help me. Send me a replacement.
Hopefully it's just the pedal. But if they would have seen the right pedal.
It wouldn't be 70 miles deep. I'm trying to fix my bike.
Choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. Oh, you seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over.
All right, check in. We forgot to do a couple of them, so where are we at right now?
Miles wise?
Yeah,
I'm at 89.97.
so we're getting close to 90. So we're almost there. And we're just past Rockford, so
There was a giant.
I think your mic's off, but that's fine. It will still pick this one up.
There's a giant festival. There was a bajillion people. It was awful.
Yeah. And no one gets out of your way.
No, they were just jumping in our way. My legs hurt.
Yeah, I'm sore. Sweaty. But my shoulder is absolutely killing me, and I have no idea why. I think it's just the way I'm holding the handlebars or something. But we had to stop and stretch, so. About ready to grab one of these electric bikes and steal it from them. They're just cruising along.
You know, bro, I'm stiffening up so bad, like I can barely like walk. I got duck feet. Oh, shit.
There it goes. I don't know why it wasn't following you. Now it is. You can't move now.
I barely can anyway.
You can't get out of the way.
I can barely move.
Well, I think I had it in selfie mode only. Cause I was wondering why my gimbal wasn't following on the other side.
Never again.
Never.
I would do it again.
I'd do it. I don't know.
If I would do it if it was different scenery. Like I would not want to do
Yeah.
this trail again. Like.
No, the trail's nice because it is one straight shot.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's.
If there was like something.
Nothing out here.
Yeah, if there was something like around a big lake or something, that would be fun. Or I don't know, just.
Yeah, just something a little different.
Yeah.
My eyes are burning.
I know. I don't want to touch my eye.
All right, Ryan. 100 miles. 101. Official number.
My legs hurt really bad.
Sore. My butt's tender.
Yeah, I can't feel my butt, honestly. I'm kind of worried driving home. Overall, great experience.
Probably the last time doing it.
Yeah, for a while at least.
Yeah. Unless we can get somebody else out here to do it with us.
Randy.
But
Yeah.
anyway, we'll call it a wrap and we're done.
Go home and drink some bourbon.
Lots of bourbon. And a bath.
Yeah, ice bath for
Shower.
sure.
All right.